Now we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer back, refer to my last video analysis when the price was here, we talk how we can look for buy and how, when we talk about the buy and sell, how we can buy and how if the the chart form, we can look for sell. Okay, as we can see, we didn't have a buy setup because we mentioned when the price was here, if the price start to correct, we can look for buy. And we mentioned if we want to look for sell, let the price drop, you reverse, then we look for sell. Okay, that's why when we see this price drop this much, almost near to this low, that's why we don't have any buy setup, because then it's not a correction in relative to this, because we were looking for the correction relative to this. That's in the price only correct, not drop this much. Okay, after the price drop, we see this reverse, then where we should look for sell, because I mentioned that if you want to look for sell, let the price drop, reverse, then we get the flat, then from there we look for sell. This is what we get. And the only way we could look for sell after we get this flat was selling from here. But what I want to say that this sell setup is not a really good sell setup. Okay, most of the traders, they cannot trade it, and even for me, I didn't trade this sell. We get the sell setup, but it doesn't give us really good confirmation. It's like really good sell setup. Okay, the way is forming. By the way, it depends whether traders, they could take the sell or not. But what we were expecting to get the flat, we got, and we got the down move. The only things was we didn't have really good trade setup. And now if we move to daily chart, now we want to see this down move is similar to what we have here, or can be bigger. Okay, how deep it can go. What I want to say is that if we move to forward chart, nothing, we don't have much information. The only thing is how deep this one can go. All right, and now the things is what I want to say, that from 1 hour chart, if we get any uh, a small flag or correction, still we can look for sell. But we should get the correction as a small flag, the flag, then we can look for sell, any sell. As long as we get the sell setup, we get into the profit, we start to manage it in case this is the one is going to start of the down move. Okay, this means from now, if you want to look for sell, we need to look for the correction or small flag or similar to what we have here. Okay, anyway, we don't have any setup trade setup. The only thing is we see what we will get here, then from there we can make a decision. Can we expect the price from here can reverse? Also, we have that possibility, but the only time we can look for buy, if we get a sharp move correction, then we need to look into it whether this is a buy setup or not. Okay, right now we cannot confirm. The only thing is we want to see how deep it can go, and any small correction of flag, we can take the sell. And again, any sell should be short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.